Hello everyone. Let's take a look at the pound dollar for the upcoming November the 10th session. Let's take a look at the daily chart, and today was fairly significant because we came across this inverted head and shoulders, as you can see through here. There was a left shoulder. This was a broad-based head. It wasn't a V-shape, but it was a broad-based head, right shoulder, and then we've been moving up. Now it's going to be very important that we see that we continue that high above this high. And if you go ahead and take a look down at some lower time frames, we're going to keep a very important eye on right on this level and on that level. So let's go ahead and drop down to the 4-hour and see if there's any weakness in this last move. Again, you can see all the way up at this point. The MACD is still moving to the upside. You can also see that there's some of the nice trends. And let's get down to the 1-hour chart. And you can see that we've had some movement in price here, right? We've had a little bit of movement. So even when you see an inverted head and shoulders, big pattern on a daily chart, it doesn't usually move straight in that direction. You know, there's some up and down movement that goes into that pattern. So let's go ahead and take down to a 30-minute chart to see if there's anything that's a little bit more distinct for us to see here. And really not much so, just this 1, 2, 3 possible top coming in here. So we're going to watch for a couple trades on the pound dollar tonight. The first is we're going to draw this trend line that's happened through late New York and into the early Asian sessions. So we're going to see any kind of trend line break. Let me draw that a little bit cleaner. There we go. Any kind of trend line break or close below this level right here, we're going to look for a sell on the 60-minute chart, even though we're on the 30-minute chart, just to see the price movement a little bit smoother. Any kind of close below this trend line here on a 60-minute chart, we're going to look for a short, a sell. And we're going to be very cautious, taking some money off the table as we come back into these lows and then even down to this neckline of this inverted head and shoulders. The other trade we're going to watch for is if price happens to come up to this high here again and holds, maybe breaks this trend line or there's some other trend line that as it comes up here and it doesn't really come across it, we look for a sell there. And again, a close on a 60-minute chart. If you looking to go long, any kind of close above this high here on a 60-minute chart, close above it, we're going to be looking to go long. So that's really primarily the trades we're going to be looking for. The fourth opportunity for a trade we're going to keep our eye on is if price happens to come down here, down to this neckline of this inverted head and shoulders. If it happens to come down there, we'll draw some kind of futuristic trend line. And again, any kind of close above that on a 60-minute chart, we will be looking to go long on that. So we're really looking at 2 longs and possibly 2 shorts on the pound dollar for the upcoming November the 10th sessions.